My tabletop fire pit has just arrived, and so I'm going to show you how it comes when it's shipped to you from Amazon, and then we're going to take it outside and we're actually going to try it out. So stay with me.
Well, I'm not going to bore you with what the outside of the box looks like, but so let's go ahead and get this out of the box. So it has this really nice bag, plus this spoon for scooping in the wood pellets. And here is the bag, and it's nice, of course. It has some drawstrings to keep your fire pit in when you're not using it. Here's the instruction manual, tells you how to put it together. Here's a top piece. We'll put that aside. Here are some little marshmallow sticks. And here's the inner piece to the fire pit. We'll set that aside, and let's go ahead and take this out. So underneath, you're going to just pull those legs up, remove the styrofoam, and you see that damper there. So I'm just putting it all back together again, and then again, let's take off that styrofoam. So anyway, there's the little damper lever there, so you can open and close that. So I'm just adding some pellets, and we're going to move this lever over to the right, but when you actually are lighting it, you're going to keep it over to the left. So that way the pellets have more oxygen to start the fire. And once you have the fire going, then you can move that damper over to the right. And so you can see it lit up really nicely with a little bit of paper to get those pellets going. And now I'm marshing my marshmallows, or roasting my marshmallows. Anyway, this was really easy. It was really fun. I really like how it kept the smoke away from the house. And, once that fire was going, once the pellets were going, it really created hardly any smoke. So we're just finishing up getting all those pellets, going fully. And I moved that damper to the right. And now you can see that we have it here out on our patio set a table, and it is so nice and comfortable, relaxing and romantic, and we really appreciate this fire pit, and it's just such an enjoyable thing to have on those cold evenings. I love it. I think you're going to love it too.